In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock chart scrolling on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're an experienced trader or new to the platform, understanding how to control your chart view is essential for analyzing historical data without disruptions. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. If you're not familiar, MetaTrader 5 is a popular trading platform that allows users to conduct detailed market analysis with a wide range of tools and charts. Navigate to the chart that you wish to view from your platform interface. This may be a currency pair, a commodity, or another asset of your choice. When your desired chart is displayed on your screen, we can proceed with the next step. Now, look towards the top menu bar of your MetaTrader interface. You should see several menu options such as File, View, Insert, and, importantly for this task, Charts. Click on Charts. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying multiple options related to chart customization and functionality. Next, pay close attention to the options shown in the drop-down menu. You'll want to find the auto-scroll feature. If auto-scroll is currently active, you'll notice a check mark next to it. This feature is helpful when you want to keep your chart focused on the latest market movements, as it automatically shifts the view to the most recent candle. However, it also makes reviewing older data nearly impossible, as it constantly snaps back to the present. To lock the chart scrolling and prevent this automatic shift, simply click on Auto Scroll to disable it. Once you do this, you'll notice the check mark next to Auto Scroll disappears, indicating that the auto scrolling function has been turned off. Disabling this feature allows you to manually scroll left or right through the historical price data on your chart without being pulled back to the latest market activity automatically. This is particularly useful when conducting thorough analysis or backtesting trading strategies using past data. As you begin to scroll, you'll be able to move seamlessly through the historical price information on your chart. Navigate at your own pace, examine specific patterns or periods of interest, and gain insights that the automatic scroll might have otherwise obscured. Remember, re-enabling auto scroll is as straightforward as repeating the steps we just followed. Return to the charts menu and click auto scroll again, should you wish to bring back the automatic update to the latest price action. Locking and unlocking chart scrolling on MetaTrader 5 is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your technical analysis capabilities. So give it a try and see how it can improve your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your MetaTrader 5 platform by giving you greater control over the charts. Happy trading!